All right, today we're going over just simple jump rope technique, not double under, just single under, because I think a lot of people, I hate to say get it wrong, but I think it'd be more efficient. So let's go after that. So first thing we're gonna look at is, let's actually turn and face this way. Let's kind of load the toes heavy and not let the heels travel. So this is a common mistake. So Alex is gonna start jump roping here. I'm gonna try not to get hit here. So he's not gonna let his heels touch the ground. You're gonna see this all the time. Okay, take a break. What's that gonna do? Well, now you're gonna keep the calf on load. You're not utilizing one of the biggest tendons in your body here. Achilles is this efficient wind-up mechanism. So rather than that, what we'd like to see Alex do is let his heel kiss the ground. So go ahead. And then take a break. So you can see his heel's not slamming into the ground, it's barely touching the ground, but he's loading the Achilles, stretching it, and now the calf, the soleus and gastroc get to create more of an isometric contraction against that stretch. Let that spring go. Let's say you're not that attuned to jump roping, so your rhythm's not great. What you can do, what Alex is gonna do here, swing the rope at the side so you start getting the rhythm down while you're working on the mechanics of it. And that way we can get you loading the springs, getting comfortable with rhythm, take a little break. Because jump rope to me is just a critical skill for kids if you're gonna be a runner and if you're gonna be some sort of a power or explosive athlete, it's a great way to start. So that's how you jump rope.